Good day everyone. I am Midshipman Jesus S. Tondo Jr., 19 years old from Paol Balabog, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, and my course is Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. I am a first year student and my section is 1B3.
Now, bakit ako nagplano mag-marino? Because, growing up, I witnessed the struggles of my parents, raising all of us, watching my father fixing and repairing cars every day, with sweat and dirt on his hands, being tired all day just to provide for us, make me realize that I need to do something. So in the future, I can help them, so they are the reason why I choose my course, because I know when I finish my studies, this will give me a lot of opportunities to help my family. Because of high internal potential, Marine Course also offers unlimited potential that can help me discover my skills. And lastly, I have the opportunity to travel around the world. Respect is very important thing. I can show this by, first, listening to my teacher when they are teaching. Second, cooperating with my fellow student in maintaining order and quiet in our entire class. And third, following the rules of our school. In 5 years, I hope that I have a stable job, that I am able to provide for my family, and I can do whatever I want, having a peaceful life like everyone wants to have. The legacy I want to leave in the world is that I hope to be an inspiration to other people, because I know that I did everything I could to achieve my dream.